Good morning. Yes, today is Wednesday and today's date is 16/12/2020 and it's Wednesday. Okay, when you write it, you will write it as Wednesday, but when you say, you have to say it as Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday. And let's do some revision of what we did last time. What did we do? Who can tell? We did skip counting. Skip counting of which number? Twos. We had then done already tens, then we had done fives, and then we had done twos. Shall we just see how it is making an arrangement? See, I have written it down for tens, fives and twos. Shall we look at it? Come. In tens, it's very easy for you to say because you would have already done it in your decimal system static part bead material. Is it not? And card material. So let's go on with this. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So what is happening? When you are skip counting in tens, the tens place alone is changing. This is ones place. See, ones place is all 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And tens place alone is changing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got it? This goes on. After 100, you get 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200. Then again 210, 220, 230, it goes on like that. 1000 beyond, it goes on like that. Okay? Infinite. Next one is skip counting in fives. Okay, now the number is becoming lesser and lesser. Tens, fives, threes, like that. Okay, so in fives, let's go through it. 5, then you skip 5 numbers and you jump to 10. And again you skip 5 numbers and you come to 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, again it goes on 105, then 115, 120, 125, 130, 135, 140, 145, 150, 155. Like that it goes on for a very long time. Okay? Okay, so that is for you in fives. If you see the pattern, did you see how it is going? You see the ones place 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0. You notice that pattern? Because we are skipping every fifth digit. Okay, so it comes 5, 0, 5, 0. Then it comes that each one will come 2 times. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. It goes on like that. Did you notice that pattern? Okay, next one is skip counting in twos, what we did last week. What do we do in twos? Every second number we will skip. So because it is if we say tens counting, we start in 10. It's fives, skipping in fives, you start in 5, and if it is skipping in twos, you start with 2 only. Okay, so what comes? 2, then you skip 3 and say 4, skip 5 and say 6, skip 7 and say 8, like that it goes on. Okay, so you will get like this 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then you skip 10, 11 and say 12, skip 13, 14, skip 15, 16, skip 17, 18, skip 19, 20, it goes on like that. Okay, on and on and on. Here also if you see in the tens, the ones place, what do you see? 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Again it continues. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Again it continues. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. It goes on like that. Okay. So when you are doing your assessment, you would have noticed it. Okay. Will you remember it? Good. So I just show you in the material how it will look like. Come, take a look at a material. Do you all remember your 100 board? If you have forgotten, come, let's take a look at it. This is your 100 board. where you have the numbers 1 to 100 written. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is actually your control card for you to see, and this is your board where you work, and you have these tiles. Okay, and you start placing each tile 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like that. Now I can remove these tiles for skip counting. Okay, now for skip counting in twos, what did I tell you? We will start with 2, right? And then we are going to take every second number. So I am going to skip 3, I am going to skip 5, I am going to skip 7, I am going to skip 9. See what I got? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The skipped number is there here. Can you see 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9? We have skipped it. Is it not? Yeah. Similarly, skip 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. Okay. The number in between we are skipping. See what do we get? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. It goes on like this. Okay. So if you have seen the pattern here is 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Again 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. And we had already learned that all these numbers, this ending with 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 are called as even numbers. So what do I have on my 100 board right now? All the even numbers up to 100. All these are even numbers, and all the odd numbers are there in this tray. Got it? Okay. Here also you can see the pattern, how it goes. This side, how do you see it? Do you see any pattern? 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, it goes on. Here all 4s, here all 6, here all the 8s, and here all the 0s. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 goes on like that. Okay. Okay, here also you will see it will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So does this patterns make some sense to you children? Okay, so this is how we do skip counting of 4s. Just skip every alternate number. Okay, skip the next number and say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Okay, now we'll move on to our exercises. Now you have to do in your book page number 6 to 8. Okay, what is there on page number 6 to 8? Writing number names from 51 to 60. You have been doing all these days, right? 41 to 50, 31 to 40, like that. Yes, same way you are going to write 51 to 60. What is this number? 51. And what's the spelling for 50? We had already learned. If 50 hyphen 1. 51. Next 52. 50 hyphen 2. Now when I was correcting the book, I noticed that some of you are not writing the capital letter in the beginning. Okay, and some of you forget to write the hyphen in between. Never forget that. Okay, 3 things you have to remember. Let the number name begin with a capital letter, hyphen in between, and then the next number will be small letter. Okay, capital letter, hyphen, small letter. Say capital letter, hyphen, small letter. Okay, and if you have a confusion between capital F and small f, capital F is always written like this and small f is written like this. They both have the same height. Okay, in the 4 lines, if you see, if I am going to write it in a 4-line book or in a 4-line slate, they both will have the same height. Okay, they will have the same height, only that this will be a sleeping line and standing line, this will be a curved line and standing line. Got it? capital F and small f. Okay, now let's see what is there in page number 24. Come, take a look at it. This is your bead material. Okay, how do you count it in bead material? This is a bar of 10, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Then 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. So you write here 57 and you will write the numeral 57, and here you will write the number name 57. Okay, that's your page number 6 and 7. And in page number 8, you will have to write only the number name in order. Okay, write in order from 51 to 60. 60 spelling you already know, it's the easiest of all. 60 is 6, just write 6 and ty. Okay, now let's turn to page number 24, where you have something to do very interesting. Remember addition? Yes, we are going to do pictorial addition. Okay, what did I tell you about addition? What is addition? Addition is bringing quantities together. All the quantities together is called as addition. Okay, so here we are going to do some addition of some pictures. So it's called as pictorial addition. You have already done addition up to 4 digits itself, like 5632 plus 2118, like that you have done. But still you must know how to write it here. Okay, because when you go to schools, they might give you sums like this also. So it's better we know how to do this. Okay, let's start. I told bringing quantity. So in this box we have how many apples? 1, 2. So you can write here in the corner, you write 2. And how many apples here? 1, 2, 3. Write here 3. So your answer has to be 2 plus 3 equals to, written in this box. Okay, it has to be written in this box. What is 2 plus 3? Let's count it together. Addition is bringing both the quantities together, right? So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's your answer. Very easy, right? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Now tell this. How many apples here? 1, 2, 3. You also write it here. Again. Here 1, 2, 3. Now together how much is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bringing all quantities together is addition. But after you do this, I want you to read it loud. 3 plus 3 equals to 6. Repeat. Very good. Similarly, 2 plus 3 equals to 5. Repeat. Will you do like that? These also? Find out how much is that. It's very easy. Just for beginning I have given you. Towards next term it will get even more bigger numbers. Okay? It will be very easy. Try and do it. That is all, children, for today. You please do these exercises on page number 6, 7, 8 and 24. And tomorrow you will do the number names again. 51 to 60. Very easy. Okay, will you all do it? Good. I'll meet you all on Friday. Bye-bye.